like magic, be like fire.
When the unexpected hits, the right gear can save your life, and it doesn't have to cost a lot. Discover powerful, budget-friendly survival gadgets that are smart, reliable, and built to keep you safe in any situation. These low-cost tools prove survival doesn't have to be expensive. All the mentioned product links are in the description. Get comfortable, because here we go. Number 20. Survival Machete with Saw. A tough and reliable tool built for the outdoors, it features an 18-inch sharp edge for chopping and a saw on the back for cutting through tough brush. The rubber grip stays firm in your hand, wet or dry, and the included sheath makes it easy to carry. Made from high-carbon stainless steel, it's great for camping, clearing trails, or any outdoor task. Lightweight, durable, and backed by a lifetime warranty, it's a solid pick without breaking the bank. Number 19. Emergency Food Bars. Perfect for emergency kits or outdoor trips, these chocolate-flavored survival tabs are packed with essential nutrients to keep you going when food is hard to find. With a long shelf life and compact design, they're easy to store and carry, ideal for camping, snowstorms, earthquakes, or any survival situation. They provide quick energy without taking up much space. Affordable, lightweight, and reliable, they're a smart backup for any gear bag. Number 18. Pocket First Aid Kit. A compact and lightweight first aid kit made for outdoor adventures. It's easy to toss into any backpack or glove box. Packed with essentials like bandages, wipes, tape, tweezers, and more, it helps you handle minor cuts, scrapes, and blisters on the go. The durable case features ripstop fabric, a waterproof zip, and a handy belt loop. Weighing just 180 grams, it's a practical and affordable addition to any survival or travel gear setup. Number 17. Titanium Pot. Made from 99.99% pure titanium, this ultra-light pot is tough, corrosion-resistant, and safe for cooking or drinks without leaving any metallic taste. The foldable handles and compact design make it easy to pack, and the included carry bag adds convenience. Great for boiling water, making tea, or cooking small meals, it's built to handle high heat and rough use. A smart, long-lasting piece of gear that's perfect for campers, hikers, and anyone building a solid survival kit on a budget. Number 16. Survival Reflective Mirror. A small but powerful tool for outdoor survival, this reflective mirror is made from tough acrylic and built to last. It features a precision aiming system that helps send light signals over long distances, even on cloudy days. Compact enough for your pocket or pack, it's useful for emergencies, signaling, or even as a regular mirror. Comes with a protective film and storage box to keep it scratch-free and ready when needed. A smart, budget-friendly item for any survival kit. Number 15. Mini EDC Multitool. A compact multi-tool packed with 12 useful functions like needle nose pliers, scissors, screwdrivers, a pocket knife, and even a bottle opener. Built from tough stainless steel, it's designed to handle everyday tasks and outdoor needs without taking up space. The butterfly-style opening and locking feature keep everything secure, and it easily clips to your keychain or gear. Weighing just 2.2 ounces, it's a solid, affordable tool that's always ready for camping, repairs, or quick fixes on the go. Number 14. NanoSPARK. An ultra-compact fire starter built for quick and easy one-handed use. It features a high-spark flint wheel that lights up tinder fast, even in tough conditions. The waterproof body includes storage space for quick-light tinder and extra flints, keeping everything dry and ready. Lightweight and tough, it's a smart, pocket-sized backup for campers, hikers, or anyone prepping a solid survival kit without spending a lot. Reliable fire starting, made simple and affordable. Number 13. Mini Survival Fishing Kit. A compact fishing kit loaded with the basics: hooks, line, bobbers, sinkers, scissors, and more. Packed into a small, sturdy case that's easy to carry anywhere. It's great for beginners or as a backup in your survival gear. Lightweight and durable, it fits easily into a backpack or glove box. Handy for camping, hiking, or emergency use, it's an affordable and practical way to stay ready to catch food when you need it most. Number 12. Survival Wire Saw. A smart upgrade to the classic hand chainsaw, this 48-inch version has blades on both sides, so it cuts no matter how it lands. With 62 sharp teeth and a bidirectional design, it slices through limbs fast without getting stuck. Made from tough, heat-treated steel and built to handle the outdoors. It's great for cutting firewood or clearing branches. Lightweight, easy to pack, and simple to use. An affordable must-have for campers, hikers, and anyone prepping for the wild. Number 11. Emergency Whistle. Made from solid titanium, this compact whistle is super light, tough, and rust-proof. Built to last through any outdoor adventure. Its square shape keeps it from rolling and gives it a modern edge. The dual-tube design blasts out a loud 120 decibel signal, perfect for emergencies or calling attention fast. Waterproof and weather-resistant, it comes with a beaded chain so you can wear it or clip it anywhere. An affordable, reliable tool that earns its spot in any survival kit. Number 10. Pocket Folding Stove. Built for outdoor cooking, this compact stove packs a serious punch with up to 3,500 watts of power and even heat distribution, boiling a liter of water in just minutes. Its windproof design saves fuel and boosts efficiency, while the foldable frame and carry case make it easy to pack. Made from durable aluminum and stainless steel, it includes a piezo ignition, flame control, and adapters for different gas canisters. Affordable, portable, and perfect for camping, hiking, or emergency use. Number 9. Emergency Mylar Thermal Blankets. Lightweight and compact, these thermal blankets are a smart addition to any survival kit or backpack. Made from reflective Mylar, they help retain body heat in cold or emergency situations. Durable enough for outdoor use, they're great for hiking, camping, or storing in your car just in case. Each blanket fits most adults at 84 by 55 inches and is easy to clean, even machine washable. An affordable way to stay warm and prepared wherever you go. Number 8. Foldable Pocket Knife. A solid everyday carry knife with a sharp D2 steel blade that holds its edge well and resists rust. The G10 handle feels smooth, lightweight, and offers a reliable grip even in changing conditions. With a ball-bearing pivot, it opens fast and closes smoothly, using just one hand. Compact enough for pockets or bags, it's great for daily tasks, camping, or hiking. Tough, affordable, and easy to carry, it's a handy tool that fits right into any survival setup. Number 7. Portable Camping Lantern. A bright compact lantern with 5 light modes, including a flashlight and emergency strobe. It's great for lighting up campsites or handling power outages. Built-in rechargeable battery doubles as a power bank, so you can charge your phone in a pinch. Lightweight at just 0.37 pound, it fits easily in your bag. With strong magnets and metal hooks, it attaches or hangs almost anywhere. Water-resistant and portable, it's a reliable, budget-friendly light source for all kinds of outdoor or emergency needs. Number 6. Emergency Survival Tent. A lightweight, all-weather emergency tent made from tough, heat-reflective material to keep you warm and dry in harsh conditions. Weighing just 8.7 ounces and packing into a small sack, it's easy to carry in any survival kit or backpack. Sets up quickly using trees, rocks, or gear, and can double as a bivvy or sleeping bag. Comes with a loud 120 decibel whistle and strong paracord for extra survival use. A budget-friendly shelter option that's ready when you need it most. Number 5. Folding Pocket Bellows. A sleek and compact fire-blowing stick made from durable duralumin with a heat-resistant stainless steel tip. The airflow can be precisely adjusted for better fire control, and the anti-slip design makes it easy to handle. CNC threading keeps the parts secure, and the tip stores neatly inside the main body for travel. Comes with a canvas bag for easy carrying. Stylish, practical, and built to last. An affordable tool that's perfect for starting campfires with ease. Number 4. Aluminum Mess Kit. A complete 16-piece cooking kit that includes non-stick pots and pans, a foldable mini stove, utensils, mugs, and cleaning cloths, all packed into one compact mesh bag. Made from lightweight, non-toxic anodized aluminum, it heats fast and holds up well outdoors. The handles are anti-slip and heat-resistant for safe use, and everything folds down to save space. Easy to carry and perfect for camping, hiking, or backpacking trips. Solid survival gear that won't empty your wallet. Number 3. Tactical Neck Knife. A compact fixed-blade knife made from durable D2 steel, lightweight enough for everyday carry, yet tough enough for outdoor use. It comes with a sturdy Kydex sheath and neck chain, so you can wear it for quick access anytime. The textured G10 handle offers a solid grip even in wet conditions. Great for camping, hiking, or survival setups. And it even comes in a nice gift box. A reliable and affordable tool that's easy to carry and built to last. Number 2. Mini Pry Bar Tool, EDC. Built for daily use and outdoor tasks, this compact multi-tool packs a heavy-duty pry bar, bi-directional ratchet screwdriver with hidden bits, and a magnetic pen that's waterproof, fireproof, and unbreakable. It also includes wrenches, a crowbar, bottle opener, and box opener, all in one sleek body. Toss it in your pocket or clip it to your belt for quick access. It's the kind of tough, all-in-one gear that makes camping, repairs, and EDC feel way easier without spending much. Number 1. Hand warmers. Easy to activate. With a simple click, these reusable hand warmers heat up in seconds and reach up to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Compact and non-toxic, they're perfect for camping, hiking, sporting events, or just staying warm outdoors. Made from tough, medical-grade materials in the USA, they're built to last and recharge easily by boiling. Great for pain relief or just keeping your hands cozy, they're an affordable, eco-friendly option that fits right into any survival or travel kit. So that's it for now. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching.